Well, hello everybody. It's been a while, has it not? A few people have been asking if I'm okay, what I'm doing. I took the whole month of January off there, Roger. But life is good, man. I'm sitting here running this desk, and these are boring videos, so I didn't upload anything. Last video I uploaded was a writing video. I've not been writing over a month, but they don't do very well. You know, everybody gets, oh, that's blah blah. So I've been working on a couple old square body trucks and getting those whipped into shape and getting ready to flip. And you guys don't want to see that. So update. All our trucks got on the road December the 30th. So no more trailers in the yard. Got a full crew. So we're alive and well and doing good. So I have some pieces of mail here that I got in December that needs to be addressed. One package from Japan came on the 23rd, and I never did open it. But anyway, so we have a postcard here from Nick Cole in Doncaster, Yorkshire, UK. All the best for the new year. Man, that's a long ways, man. So thank you very much for sending that all the way from UK. And this one here is from Japan. I haven't even opened it yet. Came from a military base. I need to sharpen my little knife here. So this is from J. Hazel. See, there's a card in there. It's on the return address. I probably should open this a long time ago. We got a bag full of goodies, man. Wow. We got all kinds of goodies in here. So, we have some Japanese, some kind of milk candy. And we have some strawberry, the same. Then we have a mixture. Won't be seeing those fish. They had some fish in a vending pack. Those look good. Milk caramel. And butterball. Kind of looks like a Werther's Original. I went to Japan 2 or 3 years ago, so I'm pretty familiar with some of this stuff. A little snack mix there. But then the vending machines, they had these little fish, you know, like a dried fish. Stinks. Pretty good though. More candy. More snacks. See, I should have opened this a long time ago. We could have been snacking and help adding to our diet. So these are some roasted caramel chocolates. And I don't know what that is. Pretty cool. So we might have some Harley poker chips here. Let's see what these are. So yeah, he is messaging me and said, "Hey man, did you get my package?" I said, "Yeah, I did. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit behind on videos. I just wasn't feeling it, you know." No, it's not. This is fire stuff. Oh, that's great, man. Oh yeah, check that out. Fire Rescue, United States Air Force. Check that out. Now, how cool is that? And here is the fire and emergency, and then the back. Boy, now that right there's cool. A lot of you guys don't know, but I was they call it district commander, but fire chief of our local volunteer fire department for about 7 years when they first got cranked up. That was back in the 90s. U.S. Navy fire department shirt. Man, that is fantastic, sir. I apologize for my delay on getting this opened up. Mr. Hazel, is that how you pronounce that? Dude, I mean, I greatly appreciate it. That I should open it up. Like I said, you watched me just now open it. I opened it today, which is February the 4th. So my sincere apologies. But holy crap, dude, this is fantastic. If I ever go back to Japan and you're still there, I'll look you up. We have an exchange teacher friend and from Japan. She lives in Japan, and we went over to visit her, and she gave us a tour all over Japan. Pretty nice, interesting place. But anyway, so there's that, guys. I mean, it's just been I've been putting in videos because office videos are boring. We're trying to get the clearinghouse crap set up and for the drug stuff, all this stuff that a guy like me is hard to find extra stuff out. I don't know where this is in the pipeline. FMCSA did this clearinghouse. It's supposed to be done by January 6th. I still ain't got on there and done it yet. FMCSA portal site is, I'm locked out of it, can't get in it. I call every day. Okay, I guess that SD card's having problems. So yeah, FMCSA portal site is locked out. Can't get in there. It's okay, I don't have to do my MCS till April because my last digit is 4. So I need to do that clearinghouse thing. Locked out, can't get in. I think it's just the whole system's overloaded because everybody went to the deadline and had problems, blah, blah, blah. But anyway, so yep, there's that. Update on Gorley Trucking. We are live and well and doing fantastic. So everything's great. No complaints. I've just been working on square bodies, like I said. I haven't been riding. I got a bunch of riding videos over to post, but they just don't do very well, and they get a lot of negative comments. I mean, why do I want to share that with y'all to get negative comments? So the square bodies, if I took time to video that process, would probably do really well. But again, you don't want to see that. You want to see trucking. Well, we're no longer trucking. We're driving this desk and getting fat. So there's that. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed seeing me for the first time this year. And we're going to go back to doing our keyboard left lane mouse clicking high-speed chicken feed candy eating stuff. So thank you again for the mail. So our mail, nobody sends us no mail anymore. We got those 2 pieces in December, and that was it. That was our Christmas. Was from 2 subscribers. Just feeling so loved, man. That was a good package. So definitely thank you very much. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Have a safe journey across America, or wherever it is you are from watching at this very moment. We wish you all the best. When I'm not rooster cruising and making idiotic ramblings, I am kicking my nephew's butt in a game of pool. Come on. That's how it's done, ladies and gentlemen.